Hello students, good morning. How are you? Fine, okay. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic of English grammar, that is vocabulary. Dear students, this is your let's recap class. Means this is your self-assessment class. Check yourself. Check your vocab. So here these are questions related to your antonyms, synonyms and homonyms, means homophones, and you have to answer the questions in my comment box. So are you ready for that? Okay. My dear students, these are words and you have to tell me the antonyms, means opposite word. The first one is failure. The first word is failure, and you have to tell me the antonyms, means opposite word. These are 15. So all the students, are you ready to answer the questions? Second one is punishment. What is the antonym of punishment? Punishment. Reward. Okay? I will not tell you answer. You have to make a comment in my comment box. Third one is flexible. Fourth one is arrest. Fifth one is blessings. Blessing. Civilized. Dynamic. Arrival. Ancient. Innocent. Deposit. Merit. Legal. Patriot. Guest. These are 15 words and you have to tell me the antonyms of these words. So hurry up, my dear students. Give your reply. First one is failure. Second one is punishment. Third one is flexible. Arrest. Fifth one is blessings. Civilized. Dynamic. Arrival. Ancient. Innocent. Deposit. Merit. Legal. Patriot and guest. Okay students, next one is synonyms. You have to tell me the synonyms of these words. These are also 15 in numbers and you have to tell me the synonyms of these words. First one is destination. Destination, goal. Doubt. Okay. Third one is hardship. Prominent. Champion. Brief. Discover. Prevent. Splendid. Vanish. Frank. Victory. Satisfaction. Conceal. Popularity. Okay, my dear students, you have to tell me synonyms of these words. Hurry up, all the students. Answer with a comment in my comment box. Also you have to write your name, class and section. Write your name, class and section, then your answer. Okay? First one is destination, doubt, hardship, prominent, champion, brief, discover, prevent, splendid, vanish, frank, victory, satisfaction, conceal and popularity. Hurry up. Third one is homophones. You have to tell me the meaning of both words, and also you have to make a sentence. Accept. You have to write the meaning of this word, then after that use this word in a sentence. You have to make a sentence by using this word. Pronunciation is same, but meaning is different. So you have to tell me the meaning, and after that you have to make a sentence, each of one. Accept, accept. Break, break. Career, career. Sell, sell. Check, check. CHECK and CHEQUE. What is the difference? Course, course. Dose, dose. Okay? Birth, birth. ACCEPT, EXCEPT. Okay? The pronunciation is the same, but meaning is different. That is homophones. So you have to tell me the meaning of each of the word, and after that you have to make a sentence. Okay? BRAKE, BREAK, CAREER, CARRIER, CELL, SELL. Okay? Check. COURSE, COARSE, DOSE, DOZE. Then BIRTH and BERTH, birth. Next, floor, floor. Pause, pause. Soul, soul. Story, story. FLOOR, FLOUR. PAUSE, pause. PAWS. After that, SOUL, SOLE. STORY, STOREY. WAIT, wait. WEIGST, wait. BEAR, BEAR, BEAR. You have to tell me the meanings. The spelling is same, pronunciation is the same, but meaning different. You have to tell me the different meanings, and after that you have to make sentence, each of one. Kettle, kettle. Dear, dear. Adopt, adopt. ADAPT, ADOPT. DEAR DEER. Okay dear students, so these are your self-assessment class. You have to reply your answers, you have to answer your of these questions in my comment box. Hurry up. Okay, thank you very much, have a nice day.